puppets, it's me, Esther. Now, it's come to my attention that the baby boomers and even the Gen Xers have dropped the ball a little bit and have not been teaching the new generation some very basic life skills. Well, I am here to tell you that Refashionista Sherry has a wonderful e-course that will teach you exactly what you need to know to create your own awesome, sustainable, eco-fashion wardrobe for pennies. And not only that, the very last lesson in her course shows you how to take all the skills you learned and transform them into a fantastic little business for yourself so you can also make some money from your creations and your amazing secondhand finds. Now go click that link, check out the course, enroll, and get started today.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.